Hi there, Buffy Donahue here. I want to talk to you about a really popular item, and that is a mesh nebulizer. What a lot of people don't know is that it actually needs to be cleaned. So at the end of the day, when you're done using it, you're simply going to put in about a half of a teaspoon of distilled drinking water, and then you'll run it through as normal. You can help it along to clean it out by banging it up against the palm of your hand a little bit, and then you might notice some mineral deposits as it's cleaning out that nozzle. And then once it's done, I like to put in another half a teaspoon and run it through again. And you can also take a Q-tip and get that in some distilled water and then run that over the nozzle area to help clean it out further. So there are two different types that I have used, and one is a completely rechargeable unit. You just plug it into the wall. When it's done recharging, you unplug it and you grab and go, and you can use it wherever you want to. The other one is this type where you plug it into the wall and you use it while you're sitting there attached to the wall, and then because this unit is not rechargeable, but it can be run with disposable batteries. So I do not find that this one is as powerful as the one that is rechargeable. And also these are damageable if you are using the wall supply for the current to use the item when you still have the batteries installed in it. I've broken a few that way because I didn't read the directions. So make sure you read the directions on the unit that you have. But once again, I recommend the one that is completely rechargeable and does not have the battery capacity in the bottom. Hope that's helpful.